So in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to replace your car horn. It's really easy. The hardest things is gonna be taking out the bumper, but that's really easy too. You got 5 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more over there. And then you have some over here. You gotta take them out from the other side. Okay, this is really simple. This one right here is the one that wasn't working anymore. You have only one bolt right here. You just gotta take it out. You have two. You have the one for the horn and the other one for the alarm system, which is this one. Take out this one right here. Like I'm telling you, it's really easy. You just gotta disconnect these two right here. So I'm just gonna take this out with a 10 millimeter. No, it's not a 10 millimeter. That one right there is a 13 millimeter.
That's really easy.
Just gotta take it off. You want to put the stock one, just take it out, put the other one, plug it back in. You want to do something like me. I bought this one from eBay, this horn right here. I just wanted to try, I wanted to put something different. So it's pretty much for any car. If you had two connections like this, two connectors, then that one right there has two. So it's really simple. Remember, most of the times, the two coloring ones, that's for the power, and the other one is for the ground. So right here you can see on this side right here I have the power, and the other one is the ground. Now this thing, I bought it from eBay. It was like $26. Now it came with this little piece right here, which is good, because that one I can just put it right here on this bolt over here, and that's gonna give me access to put this one. Then I'm gonna use two 10 millimeters, put one on top. Just make sure you secure this really good. Now once you have that, you're gonna use another bolt which comes with the kit too. That one. You're gonna put it in the second one. That's the first one and the second one. Once you put it, use 10 millimeters to secure. Okay. So put it one way and then the other way. Now, if you put it like that, it's not gonna fall. But now we're gonna put a zip tie just to make sure it doesn't fall at all. Now to secure the air pump, we're gonna be using this hole right here. That's where the other horn used to be. We're gonna use this one right here, and we're gonna be using this part right here. So we're gonna put it through here, then we're gonna get it through this hole right here. put it all the way up. Okay, first of all, just do this. Now just put it up. Now that thing's gonna be secure right there. Just make sure you get, the hose, is free for all the air. Okay. Now that one's gonna be secure right there. Now we're gonna be testing it. So you can hear what it sounds like. Now look, this is a very simple installation. Once you have it like this, you secure, the horns and these things right here, the air pump. Now just put the bumper back, and that's pretty much all you have to do.